Ready to unlock secret savings on Temu? Let's dive into how to use referral codes and start stacking up those discounts. First things first, make sure you have the Temu app downloaded and you're logged in. If you're a brand new user, you'll often be prompted to enter a referral code during the sign-up process. Keep an eye out for that. Already a Temu user? No problem. Tap on the U tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little person icon. Next, look for a settings option. It's often represented by a gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. Now, this is where things can vary slightly. Some Temu versions might have a dedicated redeem code or apply referral code section right in the settings. If you see it, tap on it. If you don't see it right away, look for the search bar. In the search bar, type redeem code or referral code. A text box will appear. This is where you'll enter the referral code you want to use. Double check that you've entered it correctly, as codes are often case sensitive. Once you've entered the code, tap the submit or apply button. The exact wording might differ slightly. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that the code has been successfully applied, along with details about the discount or bonus you've received. Happy shopping!